Earning money on Fiverr by offering Adobe Photoshop services involves effectively showcasing your skills and attracting clients who need graphic design and photo editing work. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Create a Fiverr account. If you don't have one already, sign up for a Fiverr account. Make sure your profile is complete, including a professional photo, a clear description of your skills, and your expertise in Adobe Photoshop. Identify your services. Decide on the specific Adobe Photoshop services you want to offer. This could include tasks like photo retouching, logo design, banner creation, social media graphics, and more. Create your gigs. Create separate gigs for each service you offer. Craft compelling gig titles that describe the service concisely. Write detailed and engaging descriptions that outline what you can do and the benefits clients will receive. Showcase your work. Include high-quality samples of your Photoshop work in your gig. This can be before and after images, mock-ups, or other examples that demonstrate your skills. Visuals play a significant role in attracting clients. Offer different packages. Create different packages for your services, with varying levels of complexity and pricing. This allows clients to choose the package that best suits their needs. Set competitive pricing. Research other Photoshop service providers on Fiverr to determine the market rates. Set your prices competitively based on your skill level and the complexity of the work. Highlight your expertise. In your gig description, emphasize your experience and expertise in Adobe Photoshop. Explain how you can help clients achieve their design goals effectively. Use relevant tags and keywords. Optimize your gig title, description, and tags with relevant keywords related to Adobe Photoshop and the specific services you're offering. This helps your gigs appear in search results. Offer gig extras. Provide optional extras that clients can add to their orders for additional fees. For example, you could offer expedited delivery, source file delivery, or additional revisions. Deliver quality and on time. When you receive orders, ensure you deliver high-quality work within the specified timeframe. This helps build your reputation and earn positive reviews. Provide exceptional customer service. Communicate promptly and professionally with clients. Address any questions or concerns they have and be open to making revisions if needed. Encourage reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for establishing credibility. After completing a project, kindly ask satisfied clients to leave a review. Promote your services. Share your Fiverr gigs on your social media profiles and relevant online communities. Networking can help attract potential clients. Constantly improve. As you receive feedback and gain experience, continue improving your skills and offerings. Consider updating your gig descriptions, adding new services, and staying up to date with Photoshop trends. Remember, success on Fiverr takes time and effort. By consistently delivering high-quality work and providing excellent customer service, you can build a reputation, gain repeat clients, and increase your earnings over time.